Cutting a live edge bar top perfectly on your first try is all about smart prep and using the right tools to avoid costly mistakes. Alright, so first off, making a cardboard template is clutch. Practice your cuts there before touching the real wood. Grab a laser level to get your lines dead straight, no guesswork. When it comes to cutting out that notch for your column, don't rush it with the jigsaw. Take your time and follow the template exactly. Using a router after the jigsaw helps smooth out edges and fine-tune the fit. Since your column is steel wrapped in wood, think about notching the wood wrap to the slab's thickness, so your bar top just slides under instead of forcing a perfect cut every time. That trick means less sanding and less stress trying to get a tight fit. Remember, wood expands and contracts, so leaving a tiny gap for quarter-round trim is smart. It hides small imperfections and gives a finished look. Lastly, keep sharp blades on your tools to prevent tear-out or rough edges, especially on oak. One of the biggest mistakes people make when cutting live edge bar tops is rushing the notch cut without a solid template, leading to uneven fits that mess up the whole look. Fix this by using a detailed cardboard or plywood template and double-checking measurements before cutting the slab. Another common issue is not accounting for wood movement. If you cut too tight with no trim allowance, the wood can crack or warp later. Leaving a slight gap plus quarter-round trim solves this easily. Lastly, trying to get perfect edges with just a jigsaw often results in rough, uneven cuts. Using a router to clean up edges after your rough cut gives you smooth, professional results. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome if you're looking for trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and won't flake out on your project. It's also solid for contractors wanting to connect with homeowners who need their skills, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.